I'm so tired of pretending.
Apple.
Where's my happy ending? I followed all the rules. I drew inside the lines. I never asked for anything that wasn't mine. I waited patiently for my time, but when it finally came, he called her name. And now I feel this overwhelming pain. I mean, it's in my veins. I mean, it's in my brain. My thoughts are running in a circle like a toy train. I'm kind of like a perfect picture with a broken frame. I know exactly who to blame.
How would you form my name?
I never thought of myself as me.
That's really evil. Tell me it.
I always thought that I'd be the queen. And there's no in between. 'Cause if I can't have
I know you'll do whatever it takes.
now there's a devil on my shoulder with an angel.
I can't wait for everyone to get a glimpse of the queen I am going to become.
Being nice was my pastime, but I've been hurt for the last time. And I won't ever let another person take advantage of me. The anger burns my skin, 3rd degree. Now my blood's boiling hotter than a fiery sea. There's nobody getting close to me. They're gonna bow to the evil queen. Your nightmare's my dream. Just wait until they fall to my wicked schemes.
I'm thoughtful and beautiful to sing the most wonderful songs about wicked creatures.
I always thought that I'd be the queen. And there's no in between. 'Cause if I can't have that, then I will be the leader of the dark and the bad. Now there's a devil on my shoulder where the angels used to be. And he's calling
Just a game, right? Let's mix it up.
Destroy the fairy tale world!
Wow, you catch on fast. Not. No, come on.
Something's pulling me. It's so magnetic. My body is moving, unsure where I'm headed. All of my senses have left me defenseless. The darkness around me is promising vengeance. The price that I'm willing to pay is expensive. There's nothing to lose when you're lonely and friendless. So my only interest is showing this princess that I am the queen and my reign will be endless. I want what
I don't know what's wrong with you, but I do know that Apple White, the awesome Apple White that I know and love, would never ever want anything to happen to the school she loves.
If they want a villain for the queen, but love Apple.
I don't need love.
I'm gonna be one that they've never seen. I'll show
You won't win, Apple.
Well, this has been fun and all.
This is so not you. You would never do anything to her ever after her.
Oh, poor Raven. So naive. You're about to find out how wrong you really are.
Perfect.
I know.